So, welcome back to another video. I'm going to talk about couponing again this week and frugal living and portion control and homesteading in the city. You can actually homestead in the city. You can be self-reliant, off-grid, other than paying your utility bills. That you can regulate also by changing some things in your household. But this video, I'm going to focus on how to become a homesteader in your own city. Now, I stated in a video a couple of months back, you've got till April 29th to prepare. After that, you're just stuck. Well, we're in the stuck mode, but I'm going to see if I can help you out here. Tomatoes are up 28.9% since a year ago. Beef, we only have 76 million head in this country. Now you're like, well, that's a lot of beef. Well, it really isn't. When you have a country of 360 million people and you have about 76 million heads of cattle in this country, it's not a lot of beef. So beef is going to go up exponentially more than what it is now. The average pound of beef in the United States is at $6.90 a pound. That's why it's important to buy and stock up when it's on sale. Loss leaders. So let's get into it. Now, couponing this week, there's nothing out there. We, of course, have Albertsons in my area. And again, we're doing just loss leader sales. But if I'm going to put the coupons up here, I'm looking on my tablet. And I'm going to post them here so you can come along if you're watching my video. I'm going to release this probably tonight, so Tuesday, so my friends in Europe and around the world can see it. And then the American public will get it tomorrow morning. But it's already Wednesday morning overseas. So the only thing they've got going on is beef London broil at $3.97 a pound. Normally $9.99. Now, if you want to get some of that at $3.97, go for it. That's way too much. We didn't pay it. The only other hot deal they've got is Roman noodles. Now, I said last week they want you to eat soda, and that's what they were selling was soda. Well, this week you can now do it with your ramen noodles. Now, your ramen noodles are 12 cents each. Now, if you're stuck in a budget, these ramen noodles are fine for you. Fine, I don't mean for you. They're fine for consumption. They're 12 cents a pack. You can get up to 48 of them. So stock up on your ramen noodles at 12 cents each. Now, I also said in a video a couple weeks ago, you can't eat toilet paper because people are going to stock up when things get low. And I said, you can't eat toilet paper. Well, I guess you can. Look right here. They're selling floor toilet paper for $1.98 each, $1.97. You're going to get 12 rolls. So by golly, I guess you can't eat toilet paper. But there's nothing in the protein aisle, nothing in the fruit vegetable aisle that you can eat because there's no coupon. See what I've been saying for months? It's going to get worse. They're going to have difficulty coming up with hot leader deals to get you in the store because they can't discount anything because there's nothing to discount, and it's only going to get worse. Anyhow, let's keep moving. They also have on here buy one get one free with these packets of all natural Redbird chicken I've got right here. But the interesting thing is they don't tell you what the price is. Now I click on it. When I click on it, it just tells me the same variety of equal or lesser value. Now, if I look at eligible items, they're running at $7.99 a pound, $9.99 a pound, $9.99 a pound, $9.99 a pound, $13.98 a pound. I mean, the list is endless, but it says buy one, get one free. So if you want to spend $8 to $13 for one pack of chicken, go for it. You're going to get the other one free, which means you get it for about $5 a pound each. Up to you. But that's your bargain, not so much. Now, they've also got spinach at $2.99, package of spinach. I do free spinach, and I use it to cook with. It's at $2.99. The last time I bought it, it was $1.85. I've got it growing in the garden. They've got berries, buy one, get one free. But again, they don't tell you the price. So there's nothing out there except if you want to take a look at loin chops at $1.99 a pound. Manager special last week was 79 cents. This week, $1.99. Beef last week was $3.97. This week is $4.99. I'm telling you, if you're not prepping, if you're not doing hot red lost leader sales, if you're not a consumer that's paying attention, I hope I wake you up. These things are rising and it's going to continue. So buy the ramen noodles. Buy yourself some toilet paper. Those are your two options this week. What else you got going on here? Sad and dismal. There is nothing, I'm telling you, nothing in fruits and vegetables. Nothing. As far as meats go, nothing. So I don't want to make this dismal, but folks, I've been telling you for months, it's time to get ready because there is nothing for these supermarkets to offer you. So here's what I want to offer. Now we are planting our gardens and I'm tending to my gardens, and I'm going to post a video in the next day or two probably of what's going on with my gardens thus far. I've got people who say, Jeff, I wish I could do that. I don't have the space. You do. Listen to me. If you've got to step off your back porch, if you've got to step onto your front porch, if you have a narrow pathway and you walk away in the backyard, you got a garden. You do. How many of you have a bucket in your house that you're not using? I use this a lot, as you can tell. If you got a bucket, do you realize that if you filled this up with dirt and you was to plant carrot seeds in here, you could very easily get 2 dozen carrots grown in here. 60, 65 days, you have carrots. Put in a potato plant, heap it with dirt. 1 potato will merit you about 12 potatoes. You'd get 1 dozen potatoes with 1 potato stem eye. Fill it with dirt, you got potatoes. Use your imagination. I'm telling you, this will grow. You want to grow zucchini squash? Put a couple seedlings in here. Let it flow down and look like a beautiful little plant on your doorstep with flowers, which the flowers are of your zucchini squash, your butternut squash. And you got squash. I'm telling you, you've got the availability in your home to do it. Stop wasting time. You don't have to go buy dirt at the grocery store. Dig it up in your yard. Put some dirt in a bucket. Get some seeds. Plant them. And you can feed yourself as the summer is going to get worse. You have an old birdseed bucket we got for seed. Keep it. Put some vegetables in here. You can grow your vegetables anywhere you've got sunlight, water, in a container. It's time you start taking responsibility for your home because it's only going to get worse. I don't want to preach bad nothing, and I wish I could just articulate. I wish I could just express the urgency. It's going to get worse, folks. We are heading, truthfully, a worldwide recession by Christmas. And we're going to be in a depression in the United States by Christmas. It's coming. No oil deal's been struck. President Trump doesn't care. Your Congress doesn't care. We've seen how they've been working for the last 2 years. They don't care. They're not working for you. It's time you take up your own job. Get a spigot. Get a little hand shovel. Get a bucket. Get some dirt and do what your grandparents did. Plant your food in your yard. If you live in the city, we do. We do. We live in a city. I have got 6 garden beds. I have, oh my gosh, and I'm going to show you in a couple of videos. And my garden's doing great. I have got squash, asparagus, carrots, onions, broccoli, corn, tomatoes, peppers, sweet potato, russet potatoes. I've got parsley, onions, chives, corn. Did I miss something? I'm trying to remember. Peas. Anyhow, I have 15 different varieties of vegetables growing in my yard. I don't have to worry about going to the store to get vegetables that they don't have, or they'll be so ungodly costly. Do something now. I'm fortunate. If you live in a warm climate, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fruit trees in my yard. I've got them growing in 200-gallon pots. And my trees are already starting to fruit. I've got mandarins, nectarines, lemons, lime, and peaches. I think I'm gonna do some strawberries next. I may not get any this year, but I'll be prepared. So it's all about preparation and taking care of yourself. So this video is just about continue to prep, continue to can, continue to shop red lost leader deals if they have them. If you have to run to a Dollar General and pick up what they have there, and it's at a good price, I'm begging you to do it. Go to the grocery stores and stop buying this nonsense of potato chips and soda and candy bars and junk food. Just please stop it. It's going to get worse. And if you don't learn how to take care of yourself now, you're going to be in a panic mode when there's nothing for you to get. And I don't wish that on anybody. Side note, even these fuckers that put Trump in business and put him in the White House, I still don't wish that on anybody. But the reality is real. And it's not going to get any better. Call me crazy, call me conspiracist, I don't care. But I'm telling you, as I've stated in videos before, Kevin and I have enough meat in this house to last us a year. I have enough vegetables in this house, in my freezers, and now growing in my garden to last us a year. I have enough flour and powdered milk and powdered eggs and baking needs to last us a year. And I want that for you. So please, regardless of your age, young, old, I wish I could articulate the urgency to take care of yourself, because guess what? Nobody's coming for you. But know that I'm here on this screen to give you encouragement and to pop you up and give you kudos as you have done for me. So let's continue this journey together. Let's keep each other informed. Let's reach out to each other with ideas. And by all means, please be well. Thanks for watching. No apologies. You do you, boo.